Hello, fellow hackers. My name is Akib Kimani, and my team members are Gary Chen, Julian Pak, and Mushfiq Ayan, and we are the developers of EasyLease. Many of us throughout college have participated in the subleasing process for a plethora of reasons. But if I were to ask you, what platform did you use to help you? Many of you would say Facebook groups, Nextdoor, or Craigslist. The truth is, there is no global platform for subleasing, and as a result, many issues such as scammers, inaccurate details, or even a lack of information persist. Easy Lease is our attempt at solving these problems through a one-stop shop platform. So enough talking, let's see it in action.
Hi, my name is Gary,
And my name is Mushfiq.
and we will be demonstrating a first-time user experience for our website. Starting at the homepage, there's a big Get Started button that will take you straight to the listings. We were inspired by sites like Airbnb and Zillow that allow you to look at listings while not being logged in, giving users the flexibility to browse listings without needing to sign up. This can appeal to a wider audience.
However, we kept the important features like creating listings and messaging behind a login. When you sign up for our website, it'll require you to confirm your email with a one-time link sent to it. The email is required to be a .edu email to confirm that the user is a student, making sure all lists are verified to prevent scams from individuals outside the college or outside of college students. And once confirmed, the user can log in and access the rest of the features. This includes adding a profile picture, favoriting listings, and messaging subleasers with a real-time messaging system.
Hello, my name is Julian, and I was the main backend developer for this website. We built the backend using Supabase, creating tables to store data received from the site and extract data from those tables for certain functions. For email confirmation, we use Supabase's built-in email confirmation system. However, their free plan only allows 3 emails per hour. So to solve that, we set up a custom SMTP connection using a personal Gmail created for EasyLease, as you can see right here. And login systems require hashing to prevent data leaks. So we use Supabase Auth to automatically hash and store passwords in a place that isn't accessible to us, the website and database owners.
Hi guys, it's Akib again, and I was responsible for building the listing page and the brain behind the operation, which is the filtering algorithm. So our listings page uses a client-side filtering system built in React, and when the page loads, we first fetch all available listings from Supabase and store them. We also store user-selected filter values inside a separate filters object. This includes things like university, city, state, zip code, and lease date preferences. In addition, we store numeric and amenity-based preferences such as maximum rent, minimum square footage, pets allowed, parking, and furnished status inside a preferences state object. Once the listings and filter values are loaded, we create a derived array called processed listings. This array is generated by running the full dataset through a filter function. Each listing is checked against every active filter condition, and those that meet the conditions are populated.
For the My Profile section, we created a favorite system by using a join table in Supabase to link users to house listings. When a user hearts a listing, a new row is created containing their user ID and the listing ID. With row level security, favorites are kept private between users. And to make the real-time messaging system, we set the Postgres replication settings in Supabase to broadcast changes into a table we made for messages. This makes it so that the database sends a signal whenever a new row in the messages table is inserted. We use that backend setup and connected it into front end by using Supabase.channel method in React code to create a persistent connection between the user's browser and the database so that the UI could receive new data without having to refresh. And
And
that
that
was
was
Easy
Easy
Lease.
Lease.
Subleasing simplified safely.